Hello there and welcome back to another video. So in this video, let's talk about material icons. So we are going to talk about material UI, which has icons in it, and material UI is a very vast topic to cover because it has many things such as the dialog box, such as the model and icons and much more. It makes the life easier for us. If you are working on React.js, material UI is the way to go. It gives you ready-made code for models, dialogues or anything per se. So let's get started and see how to use material UI in our projects. So first off, I got a boilerplate project over here and let us see how I set up that. First of all, I have the basic setup, which is the app.js and all, and I created a folder known as components, and inside that I made another folder known as home. You can leave this calculator test, that is a different folder, you can leave that, and you can create a folder known as home, and inside that create two folders, home.js and home.css. So inside of home.js, just type in this code. This is a basic code if you want to set up a component, and after that go to app.js and set up this basic navigation. And if you are in my Skillshare or Udemy course, then you would have known how to set up this navigation. So just set up this navigation and install the required packages and go to home.js. And now let's install material UI because material UI is not default and we need to build it. So first off, go to your terminal, go to your project, and over here type in npm I means to install, npm I, and over here you got to mention the package name known as material UI, and that @ symbol over there is very important, and at material UI /core. So this will import or install all the core packages and core functionalities of the material UI, and the next package is also quite important, which will be for the icons. So I use material UI daily in my projects just for icons. I rarely use it for dialog boxes or models. And if you have seen my Facebook clone project over there, I use material UI for models. So over here I will demonstrate how to import icons and how to use icons. And let's see where to search icons for. You should go to this URL over here. And let's see where you can import icons. So first you need to go to this URL over here, which is quite important, materialui.com/components/material icons. So that is a URL you need to go to, and over here you will be having a search bar where you can search for icons, and you can click on the check, which gives me many icons to work with. Over here you have the checkbox outline, and you have many filled, outlined, rounded, two-tone and sharp. You can use all these in your projects, and let us see where is our installation. So it is done. Let's clear the terminal off and let's remove the terminal. You can click Command J or Control J if you're on Windows. That is a handy shortcut you can use. So to import an icon, what you need to do is go over here and click on an icon you need. For example, if I need this, if you click on this line over here, Command C, and go over here, paste that, and you can use this icon anywhere in your project. In your project, I mean in your component. You cannot use it globally, or you can use it only on the component level. So let's use it. Okay, so now let's save it and let's go to localhost. So that's done good. Over here you have an icon. So I styled this page already. So if you want to see how I style this, you can go over here and just paste this in your home.css and you'll get something like this. So we have the icon over here which is placed in the center, and you can use any of the icon of your preference, and if at all you want to use dialog boxes or models. So this pattern follows everywhere. If you want an icon, go over here, search it. If you want a cross icon, just click on cross. Give me a minute. Cross. You'll get the cross icon, and you have many more icons in material UI. These are all icons which you will get in material UI. And that is it for icons. But what if you want to use models? So when you click on material UI model in the internet and go to the first link, you will be going to the docs, the documentation where you'll be seeing how to use this model. So let's see how to use models. When you click on open model, this is a demo model which you can see in the documentation, and you can see there's nested models as well. You'll get nested models like these. You can use all these, and you can see there is the code for this. This is just the short code, and if you click on this icon, you can see the full code for this. They have the transitions like this, and you have the Spring transitions like this as well, and you have server-side models like this, and you have many other models. So model is a built-in feature for Material UI, and a more powerful thing for Material UI is not model but dialogue. So this is somewhat like a model, but it has more control features. It's more complex, but it is more powerful, and it looks more good. Because you have more control on it, you can use it better. And when you click on simple dialogue, it's just like the model, but it is quite you have quite an amount of power on this. So let's slide in alert dialog, open form dialog. You can do much more with dialogues. So that is it for Material UI. And if you want to see more videos on Material UI, just let me know, and I will be making more videos on Material UI. But that's it for now, and I wanted to show you a small preview of what I'm going to do in the next video, and that is going to be the Apple calculator. So this is the Apple calculator. That looks stunning, and if you're a beginner in React, you'll be fascinated to build this. So this does not require Firebase or anything, but the logic is quite complex, and if you're a beginner of React, you can stumble upon this problem because there is much more to do in this. If you click on 7, 8 plus, see that transition over there? You'll get the transition, and it will wait for you to input the next number, and you can go to 36 like that, and when you click on is equal, you'll get the answer. That looks stunning, and if you click on AC, that's done. And 8, 5 into 9, 6 divided by, first it shows the answer of the previous product, and then it will take in the answer of this, and it will show up to 6 digits of decimals. That looks fantabulous, right? So if you can click on AC, this dot symbol also works. 3.24 into 2.63 is equal to, there you go. That is a very fascinating calculator. So this is inspired by Apple calculator, and I will show you how to build this in the next video. For now, peace.